Scripting in Java server page. Starting from this section, you need to refer to the source codes provided in this lesson so that you have better understanding on how these tags and constructs are applied in the JSP. The example here is referring to redirect1.jsp. You might want to open this file. The purpose of this file is either to add a new movie or to edit the current movie information. If the user clicks the link to add a new movie, the page will display the title as Add New Movie. If the user clicks Edit, the page will display the title as Edit Movie and retrieve details of the movie information from the server and display it on the browser. When you open redirect1.jsp, you will see pairs of tags as shown in the yellow circles. These tags are called JSP Scripting. I'm sure that the content within the scriptlet are familiar to you. These are the Java codes. We use scriptlet to embed our Java code within the text. If we look at the first pair, the Java code is to retrieve value of ID parameter from the link. In the second pair, the code determines either to display the title as Add New Movie or Edit Movie. And then within the scriptlet, it is followed by some other declaration. This example here shows how Java code is embedded into the JSP scriptlet. In this slide, we are still referring to the same file, which is redirect1.jsp. If you scroll further down in redirect1.jsp, you will find a pair of tags with different patterns as shown in the yellow circles. The first pair of tags is used to provide comments in the JSP. The comment serves as documentation for the JSP. When we write this comment, it will not appear in the browser. The second pair in the heading 3 is known as JSP expression tags. The purpose of this tag is to assign value to a variable. It is similar to equal sign that we usually use in our Java codes. In this case here, the value of the title shall be displayed within heading 3